Hello again, folks. Mini lock Monday. I thought it's been a while since I've done one, and recently I was sent this tiny little ace padlock by a good friend, Sadistic Picker. So I thought I'd see if I could get it picked on camera. Here's a keyway. There we are. And here is the key. That's for bitting. I think this is the same one, same model as what our friend Rook Knight has just turned into a little cutaway. I'll have a look. I think it might be. I'll put a link in the description if it is, and you can go and check that out because that is super cool. Tiny little lock this is. Just over 19, just under 20 mil wide. It's about the same for the height. Yeah, there we go. 20 mil. So yeah, tiny little lock. In fact, this whole lock is not much bigger than the core in this smiley lock. So that's how small it is. That's established. Now let's see if we can get into it, shall we? So I'll pop that in there. So we'll see how this goes. Once I've fixed my vise. What's going on with that now? There we go. There we are. Sorted that out. Oops, sorry, not the table. So I will use a Chris Capoon style homemade wiper insert tensioner when I can stop knocking the camera. Sorry about that. If I can keep this in. Okay, and this wonderful Rob Lawn custom pick. And we'll see if we can get in it. I think it's only 3 pins if it is the same one Rook Knight's got. Let's see how it goes. Tricky to feel anything in here. Like I say, sometimes it's open straight away, and other times it's a pig. And I thought it'd be a pig once the camera was on, and it is. Having the phone in front of your face in the way doesn't help. Excuses. That's one of them set. Yeah, I just can't feel much in this one. Oh, there we go. There. She's open. Thank goodness for that. I thought it was going to be a mare. So yeah, that's it. So thanks ever so much for joining me. Thank you very much, Sadistic, for sending that my way. Thank you, Rob Lawn, for the pick. That's it for now. Till next time, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.